start the practical, biology practical, first you have to purchase this book, है ना. This is a biology practical by Nirmala Library, in which everything is mentioned, and I must tell you that your biology practical include 30 marks and 70 marks for theory and 30 marks for practical. So you have to, 1/3 is there, so you have to first of acquire this book and one biology box. So biology box, you can anything like this, and I will show you what is inside. Inside you have some equipment is there. I will tell you the names of everything. So first of all, your biology box look like this. So first of all, you have, it is called magnifying glass, है ना. You can magnify the thing, ठीक है. And then some slides are there, no, some slides are there in the biology box extra for your practical purpose. Then here dropper, then it is called watch glass. There are two types for the keeping in a, put the water and keep some material and for the studying. ठीक है. Watch glass, bigger one and smaller one. In good biology box, we have two watch glasses. So there are 3 sets of scissors, and each has got a different shape and purpose is there. This is called bone cutter. Suppose you are dissecting the frog, you have to cut the bone, and a small bone like this, bone cutter. This is skin cutter. Suppose you dissect the frog, you can take out the skin and like this. This is a skin cutter, curve scissor. And this is general purpose scissor, a small one, and a general purpose. Now you have certain 2 sets of forceps. One bigger and one is smaller. Forceps, chimta, bigger and smaller. And you will be provided with 3 types of needle. One iron pointed needle, and second arrow-headed needle, and third is curved needle, and that one is mounted needle. You have 4 types of needle. This you have to purchase extra. So in the biology box, maybe this one is there. So pointed needle, arrowhead needle, and curved needle, and mounted needle. ठीक है. These 4 types of needle are there, and scalpel for cutting. ठीक है, cutting the anything. So, and this is called blow pipe. Suppose you are dissecting a flower, and a flower frog, so you have to blow it so that the inside the body the swell up, so that everything becomes separate. So this is called blow pipe. So for vertical purpose, you have to section cutting, you have to cut the section like this. You will learn later on for section cutting. And this is brush, and this is slide, and this is called cover slip. You will get cover slip. So suppose you want to mount something, you take out from the matter from here. from the wash glass and keep it here and put some solution, glycerin, whatever it is, staining, and you can with the help of this needle, yeah, with this needle you can, like this, your slide is prepared. Now you can tap it gently and you can observe under the microscope. ठीक है, this is the I will tell you how to prepare the slide, है ना. So this is the first class, है ना. So first I will tell you the purpose of this equipment in the biology box. These are the some extra potting sheet is there. Suppose there is extra station there, है ना, extra liquid is there, you can absorb, है ना, to make it slide. So this will be, I will provide you this, है ना, from the school. And after, suppose you are not going to use biology box for a long time, so you though there is some grease, so that for you, if you are not using the biology box, so you can all the grease all the time, so that you can, it will protect for the rusting, है ना. It is sealed, है ना. So like this for longer period, if you are not use, है ना, exam, after the exam, so it will take long time to start the class. So meanwhile you can grease all the equipment so that it become rusty and it will last longer. So, and this is brush, I told you. So this is जो है ये all everything has got some purpose, है ना. Some drop is there, है ना, you can add some slide, है ना. So and you have to purchase this, है ना. Get a cheaper one, oil, and it is very famous, है ना, or anything. It is available from the 300 to 500. So in College Street you can buy it, and you can ask for biology box, and they will show you different types. You can, anyone you can check. That's all, and that's all about the biology box and their equipment and purposes. ठीक है. In short, I will tell you, and when I use it, so we will learn day by day names, and same. ठीक है. Okay. That's all. Now we can. Hmm.